Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making choices that force good footage. That's why you set 24 or 30 frames per second and keep 16:9 framing. Once you have those basics, make a short shot list, wide, medium, close, and stick to it so you don't waste time moving gear. Plug in an external mic and capture room tone for 10 to 20 seconds. This prevents audio gaps later. Make sure batteries and cards are swapped, then roll with confidence. You move into editing and you should work fast. Do one full review, then remove dead pauses and mark your best takes with keywords so you can find them quickly. Once done, lay in B-roll to cover cuts and preserve momentum. Use 2 to 4 second primary clips, and nudge filler clips faster if the pace drags. Make sure dialogue sits around -3 to -6 dB and music around -12 to -18 dB. Compression smooth. You finish by polishing, not over-fixing. Apply a simple LUT, nudge exposure and skin tones, then export using H.264 at a high bitrate so detail holds up. Once exported, design a clear, clickable thumbnail and write a tight 3-line hook plus 3 tags that match how people search. When uploading, choose 1080p or 4K and fill all metadata. Schedule at a peak time. If something goes wrong, recheck source audio and timeline sync first. Often a misplaced clip causes the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.